Hey, we're going to try to do this Kings of Convenience Catholic Country. It's a collab with Feist. If you don't know, Kings of Convenience use two guitars. One is a nylon string, one's a steel string. Two guitar players all the time. But this is how I'd play it. So we're going to start with the D minor partial at the 5th fret. And then we do this little. So it's. Yeah, that's the rhythm. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 2, 3, and 4, and 3, 2, 3, and 4, and 4, 2, 3, and 4, and. Okay, that's the rhythm. Then after this is a D minor, we go to, this is a C chord, like a A shape. Bring it to the 5th fret. Just playing strings 4 and 2. Okay, and then when we do that little end part, we play the G string in the middle. And then from that, we play a D minor 7 partial. Again, we're on strings 4, 3, 2. And then we go to, this is a B flat, it's an A shape. We're just playing it at 3rd fret. And then what we do is, for that one, we go. We played the B string at fret 3, 5, 6, and we skip to the E at 3. Okay, and use one finger per fret. And then we go back to the. And then. Okay, there is a bridge. That is A minor 7 at the 5th fret. D minor 7 at the 5th fret. G minor 7 at the 3rd fret. And C major at the 3rd fret. Or you can play open. Alright, that's how I play that song. Thanks for watching. Bye. What's that?